used this week? Because when you're waking up to snow as like a kid, it's magical. But as an adult, your first thought is, okay, where is the shovel? And this is from Snow Joe. It is the cordless directional snow thrower kit with a charger. We have had over 189,000 of these sold. And we've had over 3.1 million Snow Joe or Sun Joe products sold here. Now we've got some exclusive colors for you. It's the black color, but if purchased separately, this would be $355. Today, we are giving it to you for $173.99. That is 5 easy payments of $34.80. No wires, no gas, just grab it and go. This is unbelievable, and we will take a look at the colors we have in the studio. This is your blue option. And then we have the black. Now, I want to welcome in Sean Pickford. He brings us all of the greatest do-it-yourself items. Sean, you've got some snow right there, and I cannot wait to see how this works in action.
Nice to meet you, John. Yeah, we got some snow here. It snowed the other day, so had some leftover and stuff like that on the driveway you can see here.
Right.
And watch, it's as easy as this. I'm just going to push this little button here to turn it on. And I'm going to shoot the snow across the driveway.
Wow.
All right? It's that fast. It's that easy. If you can push a vacuum cleaner, you can use this at home. Look, it is 18 degrees where I am here. I'm not trying to pull on something, hoping that it starts. As long as I got a charge on this battery, I am good to go. That's how well this works.
It's so impressive. I mean, yesterday was at my parents' house, and 2 of the next door neighbor kids came over to, they always, shovel people's driveways in our neighborhood. They were out there for 2 hours in 20-degree weather. I was like, that is so much work. God bless them. They were so great. But the pain you feel on your back, trying to do all of that, this is such an ingenious invention.
Yeah, because it's like the modern day shovel. This can go everywhere your shovel can go.
Right.
So yes, I can use it on my driveway. I can use it on the sidewalk. But I can use it on patio steps. I can use it on the deck. Okay, any hard surfaces. That's what's so great about this. It's also got a long run time. It'll run for 48 continuous minutes, and it'll remove 240 pounds of snow per minute. So if you do the math, that's 11,520 pounds of snow. And all you have to do, again, watch, just push.
Wow.
That's all you have to do. Now, we also have directional throwing on this, too. So I can change that angle by simply pulling on this little handle. So as I pull on the handle here, I can adjust where I want the snow to go. So if I wanted to go to the left, I can go to the left. If I wanted to go to the right, I can do that. Because let's face it, you don't want to have to move the snow 2 and 3 times. You want to be able to put it out of the way. And also, if you live close to your neighbor next door, you don't want to be putting your snow on their property. That probably won't go over too big. So this gives you all the flexibility to do that.
Now, when I get this home, is there any setup I need to do?
So it's actually really easy. There's no tools required. So you're going to put the battery on the back. All right.
Okay.
The battery's going to come with the charge, and you can check it with the little button on the back and see the dot light up. Click that into place. That goes in the handle. This top handle is going to feed into the bottom part here. It's a plug and play. In other words, put the pole down in here and you tighten this guy down. All right. Then you're going to adjust the handle. So I'm about 6 feet tall. I like to stand like this when I'm using it. That's my most comfortable position. You can move this handle up or down or tilt it however you want to do that. It comes with our quick charger as well. So that's the great thing about this. Not only do you remove the snow, but you can charge up the battery really fast because it's our most powerful 5-amp battery running for those 48 minutes. But it takes less than 2 hours to charge this fully. So surfaces, yeah, you can use it on the driveway. Composite decks and patios, yeah, you can use this on there. Grassy surface, I have 2 little dogs. If I don't clear a spot in my yard, they're going to want to go in the house. I want them going in the yard. Uneven surfaces like patio pavers and slate walkways, stuff like that. This works perfect for your sidewalks. Even tiled surfaces. Just don't use it on soft surfaces. People always ask, can I use it on my hot tub cover? We don't recommend that.
Okay.
So, but everything else, this works on. And what makes it be able to do that? Well, this is our snow plow here. So this piece across the bottom, that's what's going to glide across the surfaces. So there's nothing touching. So normally on a snow thrower or snow blower, this piece here comes in contact with the ground. Not on ours. We scoop the snow up first. We grab it into the paddles, push it into the chutes, and out away it goes.
It's incredible. No wires, no gas, just grab it and go at a clearance sale price. We are talking $173.99. If purchased separately, it would be $355. So do not wait on this. Make sure you pick this up while you can, because we are in the prime cold winter months, and there is some more snow. This really is a snow-brainer.
Yeah.
Did you like that one?
It is. Yeah, that was awesome.
Thank you, snow-brainer.
Let's face it, we're only 30 days into the winter season, so we're still going to get more of this. If you can just do this, push it back and forth, you can see it throwing it out of the way. And watch, I'm going to shoot the snow on the car back here. That car is over 21 feet away from where I am. I'm still going to be able to get the snow and launch it that far out, okay, just to show you distance-wise how far this moves the snow. And I'm not bending my knees. I'm not twisting. I'm not throwing things. I can do this all day long, and when I wake up tomorrow, I'm going to be like, okay, I can do it again.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel like you did anything. There's no work involved because the Snow Joe's doing all the work.
This is really perfect. I think of someone like my dad, who I beg to not shovel the driveway or shovel the path and go out there for hours at a time and mess up his back. This really is something that is going to take all of that work out of it. It's so impressive, and it is such a great item not only to pick up for yourself, but to pick up for a loved one who may be, you know, shoveling, who wants their independence and they refuse not to go out and shovel. This is a great way to have an easier way to do it.
Yeah, it's an easier way because it does all the work for you, especially when it's bitter cold out. Like I said, it's 18 degrees where I am right now. This starts every single time because it's lithium battery powered. Some of your best vacuums, some of your best cars have this. So watch. Again, all I'm going to do is hit the button. It goes right through the snow. All right? There's a nice big path. The other thing, too, it gets nice down to the surface here. So I don't have to put down rock salt or anything else like that after I'm done.
Right.
A little bit of sun, everything is nice and clear. So you want to be able to clear the driveway, clear the walkway, and get back in the house, get that warm cup of cocoa, especially on a cold day today, like today.
Now, how deep of snow can this work?
Okay, so it can be at least 7 inches deep.
Okay.
You can cut a path 13.5 inches wide on a single pass. Now, if the snow's deeper, say you did your driveway and the snowplow comes by and it plows the back of the driveway closed there. Because it's got the handle and it's less than 13 pounds of battery, you start at the top and you work your way down into the snow to where you get through it. That's all you have to do. So it doesn't matter if it's 4 feet or 4 inches, this is going to do the job, whether it's mine's more like a frozen snow right here. It could be a heavy wet snow or light fluffy snow. It's going to work on all conditions.
Right, and this is our newest model from Snow Joe, correct?
Yeah, this is our latest version. This has our most powerful battery, our longest run time, and it moves the most amount of snow and the quickest charger. Plus, you get a 4-year warranty with this.
Right.
That's unheard of when it comes to snow throwers. Most people will give you 30 days. We give you 4 full years.
It's really incredible, Sean. All you have to do today is pick which color you want, whether it is the blue or the black. This is coming with that charger, the rechargeable battery, so you're able to get this, no wires, no gas. You charge it up and grab it and go. 5 easy payments of $34.80 for something that is just going to make your life a lot easier. It really is incredible. I wish I had had this yesterday, Sean, but I am so glad that we were able to see it. There's a reason that over 189,000 people have picked this up.
Yeah, because it works.
It works, and it works very well.
Right.
Sean, I will see you next time. Stay warm.
Hey, see ya.
Now, make sure you are placing those orders if you are regretting not having